Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be giving a shot at a sweet potato pie latte. And I thought about waiting to try this recipe out till fall time. It kind of sounds similar to a pumpkin spice latte, but I figured I'd give this one a go. It looks really yummy, it looks super delicious. And I got this sent to me from my sister, and it's from the website ncsweetpotatoes.com. So if you guys want to see how this one turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So I first got going on mashing up the sweet potato, which I just cooked in the microwave for like 3 minutes. And it was a little bit hard to kind of smoosh it up. But I did the best that I possibly could. It really did not want to combine. But then I made my espresso and I just used regular coffee grinds. I didn't use espresso. And then I just put it on my stovetop and let that cook while I got going on the potato mixture. I just heated up my almond milk and then added my potatoes in, cooked it up, and she said that it was gonna like kind of melt. The potatoes were gonna melt into the hot with the heat of the almond milk. So I added in some maple syrup and then just kind of blended that as best I could. It really didn't want to go. So I used a sieve to kind of get the clumps out. You can see it's kind of yucky. I didn't want to drink that. So I sat there and it seemed like forever. I edited out like 45 seconds of this to strain it. And then I got my flattener, I guess. What is that called? Spatula? I don't know what those are called. And then I did it twice because it was really tiny to fit into my little cup. And then I added in, well, I tried to add in my espresso. And that was it. Alrighty guys, so when all was said and done, I got about that much worth of milk and espresso mixture. So I went ahead and added in a little bit more milk and reheated it. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste and let you know if it was love at first drink. That's not what I was expecting. I guess I was expecting this to taste kind of similar to a pumpkin spice latte, except more on the sweet side. And I mean, I could add more maple syrup, but I don't really feel like a sweet potato should need added sweetener. I'm really not that impressed with this one. I just get a lot of espresso, a little bit of sweetness, and that's about it. I'm not getting any of that sweet potato flavor at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a thumbs down. I would rate this probably a 3 out of 10. If you're the type of person that likes just like coffee flavored things, this would be good, but I would just say don't even bother with the sweet potato. Just make your latte the way that you like it. Man, that's kind of a bummer. I really had higher hopes for this, and maybe that's my problem. Maybe I had too high of expectations, but sorry, this one is not really worth trying in my opinion. Whew. But go ahead and give me a thumbs up for trying and failing. Not everything is going to be a success, but I'm glad that I gave this one a go to let you guys know. So in case you guys wanted to try up a new latte recipe, I don't think that this one would really be worth it. But go ahead and leave any requests down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.